Hello guys, welcome back to another lecture in this course. So in this lecture what we need to do, we are going to learn another customization where we are going to add a text entry or a text editor here where we can enter text and write any text that we want on our application. So this text entry, it is part of our class, and this class is called a QLineEdit. So QLineEdit is a one-line text editor, and what it does, it allows users to enter text and edit a single line of a plain text. So what we need to do, we have to go back to our code here so that we can be able to add the text entry or the line edit. So let us go back on top here, and this is Qt widgets module. So the QLineEdit is part of Qt widgets module. So we need to import it here. So let us go here on front of number, comma, let us import QLineEdit. So it is part of this module. So this class, what it does, like I said, it allows users to enter a single line of text. So let us go below here at the end of this code. So let us create a space. Let us create a space here. So what we need to do after importing, obviously, let us create the variable first. So self.entry. So the line edit, we are going to store it in the variable called entry. So entry is equals to QLineEdit. Okay, so we are going to pass self here. Okay, so what we have done, we have stored our line edit and we have put it on our window as we pass on self. So if you run our program here, we can actually see that we are having a line edit here. So we need to move our line edit to be on top of our button. Okay, so let us go here and press enter. So we say self entry dot move 180, moving our to the right, and okay, 80. Let us run and see. Okay, let us move it again, 180, and let us try 100. 180 and 100. Okay, it is now here, but what I need to do, let us resize this line edit. Let us make it bigger. So let us resize it. So come here and say self dot entry dot resize. So we need to resize our text edit or line edit entry. So let us resize it. Let's say 200 by, let us try 40. Let us check this out. Okay, this is fine. 240 width. So 200 here, 40 width. That's fine. Now what we need to do, we need also, if we are to take a look here on this program, we need to put a text which actually tells us what to do with this line edit. We can add a tooltip so that when you have your cursor here, for example, if you have our cursor on our button, it's telling us press the button. But what we need a text that can tell us what to do with this line edit. So we're going to add a label here, and this label we're going to type just enter text. So let us go below our code here, press enter again. So let us call ourself dot label, let us call LBL for label is equals to QLabel. Let us design this one this way. Let us say color. This is another way of designing our label. So let us say color is equals to blue. We need a blue color, and let us say size. So if you don't want to use a set style sheet, you can do this way. So what I need also, I need a size which is equals to, let us try 16 size. Right. Now let us add the text, and the text that we're going to put is enter text. Let us say enter text here. Enter text here. Okay. Let us put a space. let us close the font styling. Font styling, we close it here, this tag, and let us pass self. Let us pass self here. So if we run, we should be able to see something on our front end, as you can see here. So enter text here, we can't see properly what's going on. So what we need to do, we need to resize our text box. So let us go back here and let us move forward. We are here. So let us press enter. Self dot label LBL dot, we need to resize the label. So let us say resize, and by resizing it, we are going to resize it the same as our text box. Let us say 200 by 40. 200 by 40 also. Let us check this out. 200 by 40 this way. Okay, so let us move it here. Let us drag it down. Let us move it downwards. So to move this label, self dot label dot move, and we are going to move it downwards. Let us put the points or the coordinates. So 11, let us say 105. Let us check this out and see. Okay, here. So I think this text is too big. So let us try to reduce this text. Let us put 6, not 16. Let us try 6. Let us rerun again. Good. So this one is, the text size, it's much better. 6. So enter text here. So if someone entered the text, for example, let us say if you are to enter a text, maybe hi Peter, and you click the button, I think the button should respond to something. So what I'm thinking that we can do, we need, when you click this button, it has to do something. Let us say maybe this text should be displayed on this label. I think that will be fun. When you click this button should be able to connect you with this label. So this hi Peter should be shown here. Okay, let us try that on our next lesson. Thank you for watching. Bye bye.